Hello there everybody. So today we are going to be taking a look at how to create an audio version for your expose piece. Now once again, much like the video version, I will want you to have a script, but I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid to record an audio piece, not a video piece, download it onto your computer as well as your script, and then put it into the Dropbox. So first off, we are just going to simply go onto Flipgrid. So we'll go onto Flipgrid just like that. You just put it into your Google site or whatever, or you can simply just go to www.flipgrid.com, click on the Flipgrid, and then much like the people who are recording their videos, you're going to enter the code Disney, DISNEY 123. That is a little d ISNEY 123. So put in Disney 123, click the arrow, and you should show up. Now, I want you to log on with your Google account, the school account that you have with Google, simply because if you don't, we won't know who you are, and we will not be able to correct your submission, which will be really, really bad. So, click log in. I'm going to log in with my student account here that I made. And we are now into the expose piece. So, Disney Media Study Expose. And as you see, it is video and audio down here. So, let's read what I want you to do. Once again, you can find more detailed instructions on the Google site. I do want you to make sure that you find those on the final page before you even come in here and have your script ready to go. Okay? Now, before you start recording, take a look at Pocahontas Was a Mistake. It's a really good example of what we want from you guys. But once again, you guys will not be so much recording a video as it will be turning it to more of like an audio log. So, after you're done with all that, we will start with this big green button that says record, and we will record our responses. So press record, and as you can see, it brings you right to a webcam, right? Now, you don't want this. You want to do the audio version, right? So before we do anything, we're just going to go over here to the whiteboard feature, whiteboard or blackboard, and I'm going to do the blackboard, and voila, our camera is now shut off. We are now only recording audio. Okay? Once you are ready, you can record the audio button here and then record your video. Okay? Feel free to put a little picture in here too if you don't want just the blackness, or you can draw something fun for me, put your name, whatever you might like. Okay? Once again, much like the people who are recording their video, you're only going to have 5 minutes to complete this. So make sure that your script is ready and that you are on task and ready to record your audio clip. Okay, guys? Now, as for downloading it, I'm just going to get rid of this and go over to my sign up. Not my sign up, sorry. Oh, I don't know where I'm clicking today. Oh, wait, no, yes, my sign up. I do know where I'm clicking. I know what's up. And then I'm just going to go to my Disney Media Study. This was the Flipgrid that you saw for lesson 2. I'm just going to click on my first one, and here is my video. So once again, your audio file will also be a video file. The only difference is that you will not be seeing your face on it, and you'll have like a picture. So it pretty much is just an audio file with video. Anyways, so once you have it recorded and then submitted, you can just go to the little actions key right here, go down, and go to download video. Okay, it's the one with the little director's clip right here. Click download video, and then download your video. You could download it right onto your computer, or you can download it onto your Google Drive, whichever one is easier for you. Okay, once your file is downloaded, simply click and drag it into the Dropbox along with your script as well. Once again, you can write your script on any kind of Word document, Notepad, whatever. Just make sure that it is following a normal script pattern of writing. And then put those two resources together and put them into the Dropbox, and we will correct them as soon as possible. Anyways, guys, I hope that helped you guys out and you learned how to make an audio video on Flipgrid. Once again, just click that little blackboard, whiteboard feature, maybe even add a picture, whatever you might like, and then start going, okay? All right, good luck, guys. I will see you later. Bye-bye.